Hello, Centurions. This is our final podcast, however you would like to say it. We appreciate you paying attention and listening. Also, share it with your friends. Tell them, because we're going to have some great information in here. First, we all are going to say goodbye. However, as with you, we're sad the end of the year was like this, that the last 2 months of school, this is where we were able to build connections, have some fun, continue to work, and just reinforce the learning. So it's just as sad to us as it is to you guys that you weren't able to be here. On a side note, Mr. Johnson or Mrs. Nielsen from the front office sent home an email to parents, and Thursday the 21st and Tuesday the 26th of next week is when it's scheduled times for you to come and drop things off at school and pick them up. Thursday is 10 to 4 and Tuesday is 11 to 5. Again, you can look at the email for more information, but when you come, they're going to take your last name. You have to stay outside at the east doors, and then they'll come in and get your stuff. If you have a yearbook, you can pick it up, then they'll have that for you. National Honor Society information, maybe pictures, anything that was left in your locker, it's all been bagged up. However, your responsibility is to bring back any textbooks you have, any library books, or any supplies that belong to the school. So you have to drop yours off, and then in order to get the other stuff. So just make sure you do that. You'll get it all off all away for summer. But we always have a time to sign your yearbooks. I'm sorry that we didn't have a chance to do that. All right, let's go ahead and pass it over to Mrs. Sis.
Hi guys, we're gonna miss you a lot. I'm so glad I got to be a part of your 7th grade experience. You guys have been an awesome group, one that I'll probably brag about many times in the future. But just keep doing you. Keep up this summer with reading and writing if you can, just to kind of make sure you're ready for the start of your 8th grade year. And have a fantastic summer. Come visit us next year.
Mrs. Richards? Oh.
If you have one of my novels, would you bring it back to class if you're done reading it? I would appreciate that. Would you bring it back to school and they'll have a box or a bin or something? Also, echoing what Mrs. Sis said, you were an amazing 7th grade class. Absolutely loved you, all of you. I'm going to miss you. I'm so sad it ended this way because you guys were phenomenal. And my message to you is make every day memorable. Make every day count. Every day be a positive memory. Yes. If you have extra time this summer, you might want to read, just getting a plug in there for reading. But have a great summer and see you in the fall.
I love Mrs. Richards' message. I think that every day, every minute counts. Mm-hmm. Mrs. Ferguson?
I agree. So far, you guys have been awesome. I like they said, I'm sorry it had to end like this. I miss seeing you guys. Never thought I would say I'd miss the chaos in the halls, but I do. You guys are so much fun. And but like she said, make every moment count. We didn't know that the last day we left was going to be the last day we would see each other. So if you spend every day like it's the last day, then it'll be good. So you guys, like they said, read this summer. Keep doing any of the online activities, the Khan Academy, or if you're doing Prodigy or any of those things, keep doing them. You don't have to do them every day, but a little bit just to keep it fresh, and be good to your parents. It's been tough for them too.
All right, Mr. Newt.
I want to say thank you. Your other teachers know that this has been a really difficult year for me personally. I've dealt with a lot of stuff throughout the year. And I want to say thank you to you students, because a lot of times you walking through my doors helped me through my day, very literally. Seeing your smiles and joking around with you guys really, really helped me out. It helped me get through one of the toughest times of my life. So I mean that very seriously. Thank you. And I will miss all of you, but I'll see a lot of you next year. My advice to you, no matter what the future holds next fall, whether we're in school like normal or it's a split schedule or we're doing virtual learning, there's 2 things that you can control: your attitude and your effort. And if you have a positive attitude and you work hard, things are gonna be okay for you. It might be hard, it might not be so fun, but if you keep a positive attitude about it and you work hard through it, things will work out in your favor.
Totally agree. All right, Mrs. Mullins, there's a reason I kind of saved you for last, but why don't you go for it?
Well, I'm going to try to get through this without crying, but already making me tear up.
Thanks, Mr. Newt.
I know. Well, it's just not, it's all of you guys. We started packing up our house this week, so it's been more real that we're moving. Again, to reiterate what every teacher has said, this is not how any of us wanted to end our school year. I will miss all of you. You've been a great class. Trying to hold it together. Just to reiterate again what Mr. Newt said, my advice kind of goes along with that. Doesn't matter what type of situation that you're in. There's a lot of things you cannot control, but if you are kind and work hard, those are the things that you can control. So yeah, continue to do both of those things. If you try to get a hold of me over the summer and you email me on my district email, send one to one of these teachers here and they will forward that to me. They have my information so I can get in contact with you if you need anything. Remind will also be open so you guys can email or text on Remind. Please come tomorrow to our team Zoom hour. Ms. Hunt has sent that link out. She'll probably send another one out too, just so you can get ready. We have some fun questions to ask for you. We also have a surprise we're going to show you, just so you can reminisce on this past year. So please come and watch that and just continue being you and be proud of who you are. Yeah, I love you guys.
Love you too, Lizzie.
And I think that really sums it up. What I have heard is it's weird because you don't hear all these teachers throughout the year, and we all have our own life lessons, and the life lessons we talk about are so similar. You know, like make every day, you know, your last. History just happened when I said that. History, every single second, it's history. So no matter what happens, make sure every single second counts and be you. Don't worry about everyone else. Watch CNN 10. I'm going to change it a little bit so you can stay up to date. And we're all here if you need to get a hold of us. It's been a great year. Okay, Mr. Newt, you want to break it down?
Yeah, let's do that. One last time. Here we go. Centurions on 3. 1, 2, 3. Centurions.
Centurions.